Hi. So recently I was going through one of the speeches of Priyanka Chopra and I found it helpful for you. Come, let's learn English with Priyanka Chopra.
Guys, please let me just tell you this. No matter what you do, someone will always be unhappy. Especially in this age of social media, it's so easy for us to be confused between the voices that actually matter and the opinions of faceless people writing behind the anonymity of what the web offers. They don't matter.
Alright, so there was a word used in a speech and what was the word? The word was anonymity. How do we pronounce this word? It's anonymity. Anonymity. And what is the meaning of this word? So, the meaning of this word is that anonymity is the situation where you do not know about the real identity of a person. So, the real name of a person is not known. The person who is writing to you is writing in disguise. Disguise means the real identity is not revealed, not known, right? All right, so one of the examples can be taken from social media that nowadays you might have seen that people are creating fake IDs and then they are writing bad things about other people. So this is how they are using this word. So that's why we can say that this is one of the most powerful speeches of Priyanka Chopra, as she was saying that you have to keep working on yourself. Doesn't matter what other person's opinion is, but you have to keep working on yourself. Of course, challenges will come, but make sure you have to keep on going. Doesn't matter what the other person says about you, what you say about yourself, that matters the most. So I hope this is clear with the video. So I would suggest you, if you really want to work on your speaking skills and listening skills, you must watch these kind of speeches so that it will help you to understand it in a better way. Hope this helps.